Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC to access File Explorer. Now, go to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Next, we need to access the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click the View tab at the top. Select Show. Click on Hidden Items. Once App Data appears, open it. Inside App Data, open the local folder. Find and open the folder named ch5_pro. Open the saved folder. Then open Save Games. This is where all your Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 save files are stored. You can back them up, move them, or delete them if needed. Now go back to the saved folder. Open the folder called Config. Open the Windows folder. Double-click GameUserSettings.ini. This file contains your game configuration settings, such as graphics options, resolution, and other preferences. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both your save files and config settings for Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.